Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X2 Pro, and let me share with you how to manage, how to turn on, off, or how to customize the watermark on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the camera app, and now let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. Here we've got the watermark option, so let's tap on it. And right now, obviously the watermark is off, but in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here. As you can see here, we've got the author option, so it allows us to customize the watermark a little bit. So let's tap on it, and here you can enter your name, for example, your surname, or the company name. So let me do it. Okay, and remember to tap on save. As you can see, it immediately appears right here. So we can go back to the camera, and now let's take a photo just by tapping on the shutter button. Let's check the preview right here, and as you can see here, we've got the watermark, which says that it was taken by the camera and shot by HardReset.Info. And if you want to customize the author section, which I've just shown you, then here you will have the info that it was shot by REALME X2 Pro. So this is how you can customize your watermark. Obviously, if you'd like to turn it off, just go back to the settings and tap on the watermark and tap on this switcher right here. And from now on, it is disabled. So actually, that's all. This is how to turn on or off your watermark in your REALME X2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.